Hi, I wanted to introduce the Wobble Wave hat to you today. It used to originally be part of the Autumn Seasons Club, but now it's being released as both its own pattern, its own kit, and of course its own workshop. So if you are new to stranded colour work, it's an excellent way of actually experimenting with colour and learning how to read stranded colour work. And in the workshop, we're going to go through every single section you're going to need to learn how to do that stranded colour work. I'll show you how to hold the yarn in two hands, how to get a dominant and recessive colour, and how to even play a little with the different colours in the pattern. So there's two different options on the pattern. You've got this one where you've got a single layer brim like this, and the second one, which is you can see in different colours here, has got a folded brim. So you've got one colour inside and then a second one folded up. They're all knit out of Stolen Stitches Newer Worsted. So these are the three ones that the hat is made from. And it's a really, really super soft yarn that's a mix of merino, yak, and linen. And in the actual kit pattern, you've got loads of different colour options that you can play around with. Or if you want to put your own together, you can just jump into the Newer Worsted page and pick three colours that work for you. So come on in and do the Wobble Wave hat with me.